Hi everyone, today we're on Module 7, Measurement and Data, Lesson 12, so turn to page 51 to follow along and take notes. Our words for today is frequency and a frequency table. So frequency just means how often something happens. A frequency table is a way to organize the data that uses numbers to show how often something happens. So you can see when you zoom in here, here's a frequency table, and so the categories are like red, green, blue, black, yellow, so colors. Then it's tallied, and then the frequency is just written as a number. So you can see it's tallied 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then they write 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So it's a way to keep track. You can keep track of something, how often it happens, and then you can write the number to help you with that. All right, so if we look here, I'm going to zoom in again so that we can see this a little bit better. But when you're doing a tally, okay, so we're just going to go ahead, and I always like to mark off once I've tallied it so I don't do it again. So age 5, we would put a tally here, so I'm going to cross that one off. Age 8 is between 6 and 10. Age 15, age 20, age 7, so that's between 6 and 10. 14 is between 11 and 15. 6 is between 6 and 10. 11, 19, 12 is between 11 and 15. 16 is 16 to 20. Oh, we have two 12s. So that would be 5 and then 6. We're tallying. Then we got a 10. We got a 4. We have an 11. That goes here. 18 goes here. Oh, I see two 13s. I'm going to do those at the same time. So 1, 2 13s. We got a 9. Makes that 5. We got 14. Makes that 5. 17 and 16 both go here, so 1, 2, and then 12 and 15 are in the same category, so 1, 2. So then we can see that we did the age intervals, okay, and we tallied them up, and then we put that in the data table. So then now, if we transfer that, again, to here, we have the tally. So we have 1, 2, so the frequency is 2. For 6 to 10, it was up here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 5. This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and the frequency is 12. And then 16 to 20 was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So then now it's asking us down here, visitors ages 1 through 10. Oh, so we have 1 through 10. So we have two categories. So 1 through 5 was 2 and 6 through 10 was 5. So 2 plus 5 is 7. And then the next one is saying visitors 6 through 15. So that's these two categories. So that would be 5 plus 12. 5 plus 12 is 17. And then which interval had the greatest frequency? So we have 2, 5, 12, 6. Well, 12 is the most. So that interval was 11 to 15. This says, which intervals would be better used for data shown? So number of customers for two different data tables. So here, number of customers in 0 to 2 hours, 3 to 5 hours, 6 to 8 hours, and then 9 to 11 hours. And then here's from 0 to 5, 6 to 8, and 9 to 11. So they kind of just combined all of these hours, the 0 to 2 and 3 to 5, into this first one. Well, if we want it to be even, 0 to 2 hours, 3 to 5, 6 to 8, 9 to 11. These are more evened out. And this is showing a lot more all at once, but that's for 0 to 5 hours. Okay, so if you look at it here, this data table makes more sense to use. All right, complete the frequency table, then use the table to answer each question. So number of journal pages written, 1 to 4 pages. The tally is 5, 10, so the frequency is 10. The next one is 5 to 8 pages written. 5, 6, 7, 8 is the tally. And then 9 to 12 pages written is only 1, 2, 3, 4. How many people wrote 4 pages or fewer? 4 pages or fewer. Well, 1 to 4, because 4 was the most, and then fewer than that would be this category, so 10 people. How many people wrote 8 pages or fewer? So 8 is the most, and then fewer, so that would be both of those categories. So you would do 10 plus 8 is 18. And then number 7, how many people wrote in the journal altogether? Well, we would just add all 3 numbers. So 10 plus 8 is 18, plus 4 is 22. So 22 people total wrote. All right, this says interpreting a frequency table. Here is the frequency table. It says count the number of tally marks to determine the frequency. So once you have the tallies, then you can write the frequencies. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you would write 9, and so on. How many students exercised 40 minutes or less? It says look at each interval and its frequency to answer the questions. So 40 minutes or less. So it's going to be this category and this category. So you would do 9 plus 13, which equals 22 students. All right, you're going to complete page 53 on your own. Take your time and ask for help if you need it. Good luck.